What's up, everybody? Sharing, share away. Got less than a minute before I jump on this thing. Testing everything. Alright. Hopefully we don't have a crazy internet interference here, but let's see, is it 7 yet? It looks like it is. Alright, thanks Weezer. Greetings and salutations, everybody. Hope everyone's having a great week. My name is Joe Quesada. I am the owner and operator of No Worries Rooter here in Gilbert, Arizona. And basically today we are going to be answering questions for you about your home or your business. Today's topic is a pretty interesting one that we see a lot, and it's leaks and water damage. So I want to make sure that we touch on some interesting key points, because obviously nobody wants to deal with this. If you're a homeowner, hey, you're there to protect your asset, to protect your family's health, and obviously you want to make sure you do the right things to handle it like a pro. So walking into your home, you see water all over the floors. It's affected your carpeting, your flooring, the surrounds, and you're wondering, I wonder what's going on here. Well, I got to tell you, there's two parts of a plumbing system. There is the water delivery part, the incoming part, basically, and then there's the dirty water removal part of the system. So sometimes when we walk into a mess like this, we just want to get down to the source. What that means is, well, there's a shutoff. There's always a shutoff valve that's either located at the front of the home. It looks like basically like a handle. So sometimes it has a little turning handle. So there's two kinds of valves that could be installed in your home. You want to shut those off immediately. As soon as you see water somewhere, shut it down. Something that's very convenient too is if you are experiencing water dripping out of the kitchen sink. Well, sometimes there's designated shut-off valves there that are called emergency shut-off valves. You shut those off. Sometimes you got to turn those, or sometimes it's a quarter turn to shut those off. So you want to make sure you shut off the water and then relieve the pressure. It's either going to be from once you shut off the water, you want to relieve the pressure by either going to the outdoor hose bib, or you want to turn on the kitchen faucet or bathtub. Wherever there isn't water damage, go to the other point of the house to relieve the pressure. Obviously, you don't want to make any more work for you or for whoever has to come and clean it up. So we've located the shutoff valve. Okay, let's say you locate the shutoff valve from the house and it's still not closing the water. Well, it either means that you have a faulty shutoff valve that's not closing all the way, and you may have to go to the city tap to shut it off there. Okay, call your plumber. Not only will they be able to handle it and fix the problem itself, but they will have the expertise when it comes to working with your homeowner's insurance. Basically, hey, a lot of people don't know this, but when you have a water loss in your home, you are paying your homeowner's insurance to protect your home's integrity from any kind of sudden loss. So let's say you walk in one day and your toilets are backing up completely, causing water to just basically soak into the carpets, your closets, and it's a mess. Well, guess what? That incident, 100% of the time, could be covered by your homeowner's insurance. Basically, if you look at your policy, every policy will be different. Luckily, if you have a licensed plumber professional, they will be able to read through your policy to help you understand it better and to give you the right information to move along and get the work done and approved. So we've got that taken care of. Let's see here. Contact your insurance company or agent. That's a very important step to take before you hire someone to do a water mitigation in your property. Obviously, you want to inform your insurance company that, hey, I've taken the right steps to basically stop the bleeding, stop the leaks, and you want to make sure you inform them so that they can give you the claim number, basically the approval to continue the work. So, with that being said, let's talk about common areas here. Common areas for water leaks. So, obviously, you don't ever want to neglect a repair. You see something that's leaking, hey, it's only going to get worse from there. Especially in Arizona. Here in Arizona, we have hard water that basically will cause your fixtures to break down faster than if you had your home protected by some kind of water softener system, something that would remove the mineral content from your water. So just keep that in mind, that you want to avoid any kind of semi-leaking fixtures or valves or whatnot. It will only get worse. Don't wait to get those fixed. It'll only get it'll get very expensive and costly. So let's see here. Toilets. Failing to repair a leak in your toilet can lead to floor damage, which is true. Just had one of those happen today. This is especially troublesome if the leak is on the second floor of the home or building. Well, guess what? That happens more than you think. If you live in a two-story home and you have a leak upstairs, hey, what do you think is going to happen? So definitely keep in mind those scenarios. Hose bibs, when neglected, leaking hose bibs can waste water and contribute to a higher water bill. Well, definitely can. So hose bibs are exterior. Obviously, a lot of people will just end up watering their trees with a leaky hose bib and forget about it. But you do what you like, but we obviously would recommend you getting that fixed too. Shower valves. Leaky shower valves can result in water damage. I see it all the time. Basically, you know, there's a fault within the water valve, and it's causing either your shower or your tub to basically leak. So get that fixed as well. Signs and symptoms of a Gilbert slab leak. Well, slab leaks are very unique creatures. If you hear the sound, especially in areas where there are no plumbed appliances, it may be a sign that a slab leak lurks beneath your feet. You should also keep an eye on your water bills. Even what some may consider a minor slab leak will result in a considerable amount of wasted water. Well, not only wasted water, but your foundation could also suffer from that. Spiking water bills with no cause. Another indicator that you may need slab leak repair services. Finally, damp Finally, damp spots on carpeting or even warm spots on your flooring can indicate the presence of a slab leak. So whatever suspicions you have, do not ignore them. Left unchecked, slab leaks can result in water damage, wasted water, and repairs. So keep that in mind, folks. Slab leaks, those are creepers. So signs and symptoms of a Gilbert water heater leak. So for most people, the first sign of an issue is obviously with your water heater puddle. Now this may be something as small as a puddle forming near the base of the water heater, or something more visible like spraying out of a valve or a cracked tank. A leaking water heater may seem like nothing more than an inconvenience to some, but it can actually be quite damaging. We see this so much. In fact, it's definitely something to pay attention to. This is why water heater leaks are no joke, because basically the water damage can ring to a tune of around $10,000, believe that. So let's see here. We're moving on. Water damage from burst pipes and leaks foundation. So if you have cracks in the walls, floors, or tilling chimney, you may be aware that these are signs of a problem with your foundation. But many people don't realize that difficulty opening and closing doors and windows can also be early signs that your home is shifting. And whether you have a new home, an old home, foundation problems, often major repairs, well, you'll definitely you'll start noticing some changes within your home. Foundation problems can be caused by the type of soil the house is built on, an improperly laid foundation, or drainage problems. Whatever the cause, a bad foundation is bad news. Depending on the severity of the problem, can cost quite a bit. Alright, so let's get down to some other things here, like mold. You know what? Mold is a big problem nowadays. We breathe mold. There's good mold, there's bad mold. Sometimes we eat mold. If you're a connoisseur like me, I like cheese. Sometimes there's mold in cheese, believe it or not. So let's see here. Water damage caused by your home's plumbing system is not only unhealthy but expensive too. Be it a burst pipe or a leaky water heater and or appliances, the end result is the same, and it can cost a lot of damage, even though you may not notice it right away. After something like this, it's important to dry out your home. If you don't, mold can thrive. So it's important to basically identify the problem, the source, fix it, and expedite it by having a professional water remediation team by your side. When you call your insurance, they'll either provide you with someone reputable to help you with the mitigation process, or if you have a licensed plumber in your area that you trust and you go to, they're going to know who to call immediately. It's kind of like a relationship that a plumber has with a water restoration company. It goes hand in hand, considering that, hey, one is helping out the other to accomplish the same results. So always talk to your plumber. You know, they'll be able to help you with that. So water damage. If your home has experienced some type of burst pipe leak, major repair or minor, this isn't something you can ignore. Beyond the possibility of mold, long-term water damage can cause rot. That is not good, which can lead to all kinds of expensive repairs to structure your home. It's difficult to estimate the cost of this type of burst pipe repair, but it can easily run into the thousands depending on how much wood needs to be replaced and how intrusive the repairs are. So that's another thing that you need to consider. So homeowners, pay attention. To learn more about our Gilbert water damage, leak detection and repair and restoration services, call the experts at No Worries Rooter today. Our number is 480-788-2564. We keep our website up to date. We have an amazing blog run by Daryl Quesada. She does a lot of these blogs to inform all of our customers and to keep everybody informed here. So this is what we offer. We offer all of our customers personalized service. Every time we come to your home, we offer you the best service. We offer flat rate upfront pricing. So before any work gets done, we discuss the options with you. We give you options, not ultimatums. Same day service, we try to get to you as soon as possible. As soon as you call us, we want to make it out to you as soon as we can. 24 hours, 7 days a week emergency services. That's what we stand for, and we're here to serve you and your family through the hardest of times, and we try to help make it as easy as possible. We also are a family-owned and operated company. Are licensed and bonded and insured for your protection and safety. Have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Maintain an informative blog to keep you up to date on everything we do with your plumbing system. And basically, folks, that is all of the topics that we wanted to cover. As you can see, these are a lot of notes to read, but I want to thank Daryl Quesada for putting this together. We've been working very hard to spread the word about our live events here. We've been getting a lot of great feedback. We want to be your new friend in the plumbing business and answer all of your questions before you call a plumbing professional. So I want to take a few minutes here to answer some of your questions. If you have any questions for me, you are more than welcome to submit your question so we can help you before calling a licensed plumber. So I'm going to open up the airwaves here. Oh, cool. I see a few people joined in. Awesome. Hey, guys. How's it going? If you have any questions, feel free to post this. Feel free to share this to your friends and family. A lot of people are shy and will never ever share this. You know, plumbing is such a forgotten thing. A lot of people take it for granted. So we're here. We're the new generation that is going to inform our people, to show people what you should do with your home, how to protect it, how to save money, and basically keep your family safe from any of these issues. So I'm opening up the airwaves right now. If anybody has any questions, feel free to go ahead and submit your question there. Also, just to let you know, if you do have a question and you missed this video, go ahead and send us a question privately. You can send us a message there. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. If not, give us a call, 480-788-2564. We're here to serve you and your family and your business. We are licensed, bonded, and insured, commercial and residential, and we are a full-service company here ready to meet your needs. So if you have any questions for me, feel free to comment now. Or you can also visit our website. It's noworriesrooter.com. Check out our blogs. We have some of the coolest info on there. We try to keep it interactive, just like our Facebook page. We're always spreading information out to our customers. So we want to thank everybody for your tremendous support. For the last 6 years, we've been in business, and we are here in the Gilbert area, but we service valley-wide, so don't hesitate to give us a call. Whether it's small, whether your job is small or large, we can handle it. We've got the expertise and the equipment to get it all done. So, with that being said, I want to thank everybody for joining us. And if you don't have any questions for me now, well, hey, I want to wish you the very best. Thanks so much for tuning in and for following us. Feel free to share this video to your friends and family. It would mean the world to us. And, well, have a great rest of your evening. Take care, everybody. Thank you.